There's so many different kinds of containers in all shapes and sizes and even materials that can hold a variety of things. Well, I have a container STEM challenge for you. Next week, during our First Grade Plus enrichment class, you are invited to make a candy box container in honor of Valentine's Week. You're going to pretend that you need to make a container big enough to bring candy to share with our whole class. And we have 51 students in Mrs. Spencer's homeroom, but I would say anywhere between 25 and 50 pieces of candy, such as candy kisses or the wonderful conversation hearts you find on Valentine's Day. You might want to use something like construction paper or Play-Doh or even your building bricks like Legos or some other creative material you can come up with. So a container is simply an object used to hold something like candy. And our solid will be the type of candy you put in it. And you'll have to think about something called capacity. That is how much a container will hold. And the volume, big fancy words, is the space taken up by your candy. So you'll have to consider those things as you build your container. And here are a few examples just to show you what Mrs. Spencer is talking about. You can see a cardboard box here. It looks like maybe a paper box, a Lego box, but you'll want to actually be able to hold whichever candy you choose. And next Wednesday, after you have finished, you can come to our enrichment class and show us your container on camera. And we're going to read a fun story and then talk about what was difficult, what was easy, and analyze our challenge a little bit. So I hope that's enough to get you started. Check the email for other things you might want to check out to help you in your container building. And happy STEM challenge!